Welcome to a new era of coding, where single-agent workflows are no longer the only way forward. Today, we explore Claude Code Agent Teams, a revolutionary approach that lets multiple AI agents work together in parallel. Forget the old model of one agent, one task, and sequential execution. With Agent Teams, you can coordinate several agents, each with their own context, collaborating and debating in real time. This video will guide you through my hands-on experience with Claude Code Agent Teams, showing how swarm intelligence can transform your development workflow. Let's dive into the basics and see how this new paradigm is changing the way we code. Claude Code Agent Teams is an experimental feature that allows you to coordinate multiple Claude instances on the same project. Each agent or teammate runs in its own context window and can communicate directly with others. Unlike traditional subagents, which only report back to a main agent, Agent Teams introduce peer-to-peer messaging and shared task lists. This means agents can challenge each other's findings, debate theories, and build on each other's work, all in real time. The result? Faster problem-solving and richer collaboration. Let's break down how these teams operate and why they matter. Imagine investigating a bug in your codebase. With Agent Teams, you can assign 5 AI agents to the task. Instead of working in isolation, these agents debate competing theories, challenge assumptions, and synthesize findings. For example, one agent might suggest a connection timeout issue, while another presents evidence to the contrary. A third agent runs tests, disproving the first theory but supporting a modified version. Others find edge cases or propose novel fixes. This collaborative swarm converges on the root cause much faster than any single agent could. It's a practical demonstration of AI swarm intelligence at work. Every Claude Code Agent team is built on 4 core components. First, the team lead acts as the main coordinator, spawning teammates, assigning tasks, and synthesizing results. Second, teammates are separate Claude instances, each with their own context window and the ability to communicate directly with others. Third, the task list is a shared list of work items that teammates claim and complete, with dependencies managed automatically. Finally, the mailbox is the messaging system that allows agents to send messages to specific teammates or broadcast to the whole team. Together, these components enable seamless, collaborative workflows. While both agent teams and subagents allow for parallel work, their communication models are fundamentally different. Subagents operate hierarchically, reporting only to the main agent, which manages all coordination and decides what to share. In contrast, Agent Teams enable direct messaging between teammates, self-coordination, and a collaborative environment. This means that while subagents are ideal for quick, focused tasks, Agent Teams shine when tasks require discussion, debate, and shared problem-solving. Choosing the right model depends on the complexity and nature of your project. Before you can use Agent Teams, you need to ensure a few prerequisites are met. First, make sure Claude Code is installed and updated to the latest version. Version 2.0.33 or newer is recommended for best compatibility. You'll also need access to your Claude Code settings file, typically located at claude.settings.json. For split-pane display mode, tools like tmux or iTerm2 are helpful, allowing you to view multiple teammates' outputs simultaneously. Once your environment is ready, you're set to enable Agent Teams and start experimenting with parallel workflows. Agent Teams are disabled by default, so you'll need to enable them manually. Open your settings file, .claude, settings.json, and add the experimental flag, Claude, Code, Experimental, Agent, Teams, 1, inside the env block. If you already have other settings, simply merge this flag with your existing configuration. Save the file and restart Claude Code. This step unlocks the Agent Teams feature, allowing you to start building collaborative AI workflows right away. Agent Teams support 2 display modes, in-process and split-pane. In-process mode runs all teammates inside your main terminal, letting you switch between them with keyboard shortcuts ideal for quick tests or simple teams. Split-pane mode, on the other hand, uses tmux or iTerm2 to give each teammate its own pane, allowing you to see everyone's output at a glance. This is perfect for complex teams or when you need to monitor multiple agents simultaneously. You can set your preferred mode in the settings file or override it for a single session. If you want to use split pane mode, you'll need to install tmux. On Mac, use Homebrew with brew install tmux. On Ubuntu or Debian, run sudo apt update and sudo apt install tmux. For Windows WSL, the same command applies. After installation, verify with tmux v. Alternatively, Mac users can use iterm2 with the Python API enabled. Claude Code will automatically detect which tool to use based on your terminal. This setup gives you a powerful, multi-pane workspace for managing agent teams. After updating your settings and restarting Claude Code, run the config command to verify that agent teams are enabled. Scroll through the settings list and look for Teammate mode. If you see it, you're ready to create agent teams. If not, double-check your settings.json file to ensure the experimental flag is set correctly. This verification step ensures your environment is properly configured before you start building collaborative workflows. Now you're ready to create your first agent team. Launch Claude Code and describe your task. You can let Claude decide the team structure or specify exactly what you want. For example, you might create a team with 3 teammates, one to refactor the login flow, another for the registration flow, and a third to update tests. Claude will spawn the team, assign tasks, and begin coordination. This flexibility lets you tailor the team to your project's needs, whether you want broad exploration or focused task execution. Once your agent team is running, navigation and interaction are straightforward. In process mode, use keyboard shortcuts to switch between teammates. In split pane mode, each teammate's output appears in its own pane, and you can click into any pane to interact directly. This setup makes it easy to monitor progress, respond to messages, and coordinate work across the team. Whether you're running a simple test or managing a complex project, these controls keep you in command. One of the most powerful features of agent teams is automatic handling of task dependencies. For example, if you have 3 teammates, one refactoring login, another registration, and a third updating tests, the test updater will be blocked until the other 2 tasks are complete. This ensures that work happens in the correct order, preventing errors and wasted effort. Claude Code manages these dependencies seamlessly, letting you focus on higher-level coordination. Communication between agents is at the heart of agent teams. In practice, teammates can message each other directly, ask for clarification, or propose solutions. For instance, if an agent can't locate the authentication code, it can message the team for help. The lead agent summarizes issues and suggests next steps, such as providing a project path or building demo flows. This collaborative approach ensures that problems are surfaced and addressed quickly, even when tasks hit roadblocks. Even when tasks can't be completed, agent teams demonstrate intelligent coordination. If the required codebase is missing, agents collaborate to understand the situation and propose solutions. The lead agent summarizes the problem and offers options, such as providing a new path or shutting down gracefully. This approach ensures that failures are handled transparently and constructively, rather than leaving agents stuck or working in isolation. For more advanced workflows, you can enable delegate mode. In this mode, the lead agent is restricted to coordination. Only it can spawn teammates, assign tasks, and manage the task list, but cannot edit files or run commands. This is useful when you want pure orchestration, ensuring that all implementation work is handled by teammates. Switching to delegate mode is as simple as pressing Shift+Tab after starting your team. This feature gives you fine-grained control over how work is distributed. For complex or risky tasks, you can require teammates to submit a plan before making changes. The lead reviews and approves or rejects plans based on set criteria, such as ensuring test coverage or migration safety. You can also pre-approve common operations to streamline workflows, or use the dangerously skip permissions flag for trusted teams. These controls help balance safety and efficiency, especially in larger or more sensitive projects. By default, all teammates use the same model as the lead, but you can specify different models for each teammate based on their roles. For example, assign a researcher using Haiku for quick lookups, an architect using Opus for complex design, and implementers using Sonnet for code changes. This flexibility lets you optimize for cost, speed, and capability, tailoring your agent team to the unique requirements of each project. Agent teams shine in scenarios where parallel exploration adds real value. For research and review, multiple teammates can investigate different aspects of a problem, then share and challenge each other's findings. In debugging, agents can test competing theories simultaneously, converging on the root cause faster. For building new features, each teammate can own a separate piece, coordinating through the task list to avoid conflicts. These use cases highlight the strengths of collaborative, multi-agent workflows. Despite their power, agent teams aren't always the best choice. For tasks with strict sequential dependencies, a single session is more efficient. If multiple agents need to edit the same file, conflicts can arise, making single-agent workflows preferable. For simple tasks, the overhead of coordination outweighs the benefits. It's important to analyze your project's needs and choose the right approach sometimes. Less is more. Claude Code Agent Teams represent one of the best implementations of AI swarm intelligence to date. While single-agent workflows have their place, multi-agent collaboration unlocks new levels of productivity and problem-solving. Remember, each teammate has its own context window, so token usage scales with team size. Consider your budget and project needs before deploying large teams. If you're interested in mastering these workflows, stay tuned for the upcoming Claude Code Masterclass, which will cover advanced patterns, real-world case studies, and enterprise deployment strategies. The future of collaborative coding is here. Are you ready to join the swarm?